So hello and welcome. So now in this video we will speak about React a little bit more. I mean JSX a little bit more. So as you all can see, we are embedding HTML and CSS together. So there is one more thing that we can do. We can also now the hierarchy is in this way. So first there is, I'll just put this thing as a comment line. So first we have the JavaScript, which is all of these things: import react.render, and inside that JavaScript we have HTML. Alright, and now by using JSX we can also put JavaScript inside HTML. So this is pretty much confusing, but it will make a lot more sense as we implement this thing. So let's remove it off. So yeah, let me remove all of these things over here, and I will just create a h1 tag. So let's add a h1 over here, and I will write something like hello, my name is Saif Khan. So let's put this thing over here and let's save it off, and as you all can see we have the Saif Khan. So now over here, if I created a variable with name, and that has a name of Saif over here, and let's just put this thing up, Saif over here. Now if I want to use this thing over here, how do I use it? If I just write name, this is just considering this thing as a text and just writing this thing over here. So now in order to use this thing over here, we have to wrap this thing inside curly braces. So now JSX will know that this thing is a JavaScript element and this thing is a variable, and it will go ahead and find a variable with this name and it will substitute that thing over here. So this is pretty much easy. Do not get confused. We are just embedding HTML inside JavaScript, and inside JavaScript we are embedding JavaScript. Inside HTML we are embedding JavaScript. So do not get confused. I'm writing a comment line over here. Inside JavaScript we are embedding HTML, and inside HTML we are embedding JavaScript. So JSX lets us do that. So JSX is pretty much powerful and it lets us do all of those things. So now I just want you all to go ahead and do a very easy challenge, which I believe that is very much easy. I just want you all to create a first name variable and put this thing as hello, my first name is this, and hello, my last name is this. So I want you all to create two paragraphs and two h1s, and inside the first one, hello, my first name is your name, that will be inside the first name variable, and in the second h1 I just want you all to put hello, my last name is this thing, and which will come from a variable. So go ahead and do that as a challenge now. So I suppose you have done that. So all we have to do is just wrap this thing inside a div, because this .render function accepts only one HTML element. It does not accept multiple elements. So we are making a parent element, and inside that parent element we are putting multiple elements. So that thing is permissible. So here I will write h1, hello, my first name is this thing. I will create a, let me remove that here first. I will create a variable. I'll call this thing as fname, that is first name, and I will call this thing as Saif. And over here I'll create one more variable, that is lname, and I will call this thing as Khan. Let's put semicolon over here, and let's write two variables over here, that is fname and some space over here, and let's write lname. The first name is this one. I'll just remove it off over here. I will just close this tag, and then I will write here as hello. My last name is L name. Yeah. So as you all can see, when I save it off, as you all can see, we have L name. I'm sorry, I just misspelled it. So as you all can see, we have hello, my first name is Saif. Hello, my last name is Saif Khan. Now I just want you all to do one more challenge. This is pretty much easy. Once you have done that, I'm sure that you will do the next one as well. I just want you all to put hello, my name is full name. First name plus last name. So go ahead and do that now. So I suppose you have done that. So all I have to do is just remove it. First I'll just copy. Okay, I'll just remove it off. And here I can either do this thing in two ways. I can just write two variables over here. I can write L name. So as you all can see, hello, my full name is Saif Khan. Or else I can just remove all of these things and write plus over here. So we do not have some space over here. I will write one more plus, and I will write, I'm just using plain JavaScript over here. I'm just creating some space in between them. So it's pretty much easy. You do not have to worry about anything. So the reason that we can do this is by using JSX. Now, one more thing, we can also put numbers inside it. So let's create a paragraph. Paragraph P, and here I will write my roll number from my college was 6. So I just want you all to do this thing as a very easy, do this thing as a challenge. I just want you all to create a variable and put this thing inside a variable. I suppose you have done that. All you have to do is to write var and write roll number, and here I will write I'll just put this thing as 6, and here we will use the roll number variable and embed over here roll number. Yeah. So as you all can see, from my my roll number from my college was 6. Now we can also put plus minus over here. If I want to multiply it by 6 for some reason, I can also do that. 36. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. If you all do not know that, I'm sorry. If you want to do minus, if you want to do plus, everything will work. And one more thing that you all cannot do is write if conditions over here. If suppose if I want to write if f name is equal to Saif, and if I want to return something like write h1 tag over here, write good, your name is Saif. So you cannot do that. We cannot do this thing. We cannot put if conditions. The only thing that we can do is just any expression that gives that returns a single value, only that thing will be executed over here inside this curly braces. So let's write roll number. So please do not feel overwhelmed. This is pretty much easy. And so yeah guys, that's it for this video, and in the next video we will speak about React a little bit more. So see you all there.